Ghostbusters. Edge movie moments with Bill Murray. Following the series, this is Mike Sweeney from Saber Coaching. This is a scene in the mayor's office, so similar to the Ghostbusters 1 clip, but Ghostbusters 2, Bill Murray has to step up, have the courage to influence using a creative tactic. In this particular movie, it does not work out, and I think you'll see what happens as we get closer to it, so let's get it.
Lenny! Big man!
Slime Square.
Mayor? What is this? A slumber party?
Well, that's what we're going to talk to you about.
Oh, that
Look,
guy's
I don't
been
want to hear
thrown
anything
heck
about it.
last time.
You've got 2 minutes. Make it good.
Well, first of all, Mr. Mayor, it's a great pleasure to see you again. And we'd just like to say that almost 50% of us voted for you in the last election.
I appreciate that.
I'm just sorry we have to always meet under these circumstances.
Mr. Mayor, we're here tonight because a psychomagnetheric slime flow of immense proportions is building up beneath this city.
Dan Aykroyd.
Psycho what?
Psychomagnetheric.
Big word.
Negative human emotions are materializing in the form of a viscous psychoreactive plasm with explosive supernormal potential.
Does anybody speak English here?
Yeah, Your Honor. See, what we're trying to tell you is like all the bad feelings, all the hate, the anger, and violence of this city is turning into this sludge. Now, I didn't believe it at first either, but we just went for a swim in it, and we ended up almost killing each other.
This is insane. Do we really have to listen to this?
Can't you stop your lips from flapping for 2 little minutes? Lenny, have you been out on the street lately? Do you know how weird it is?
So here's the attempt first. And he has the courage to kind of, he knows he has 2 minutes. He knows the mayor needs it broken down. So this is another like Edge moment with stakeholder management, very similar to the one in Ghostbusters 1. But he knows that he's got to communicate it effectively. And when the mayor comes back and parries the thrust, he needs to come up with something creative. And that's the Edge moment.
It is out there. We've taken our own head count. There seem to be 3 million completely miserable assholes living in the tri-state area.
Oh, please.
I beg your pardon, 3,000,001.
Hey.
And what Budgie Brain here doesn't realize is that if we don't do something fast, this whole place is going to blow like a frog on a hot plate.
Yeah, right.
What am I supposed to do? Go on television and tell 10 million people they have to be nice to each other? Being miserable and treating other people like dirt is every New Yorker's God-given right. Your 2 minutes are up.
Let's go, Red
Good
Sox.
night, gentlemen.
You're making a big mistake, Mr. Mayor. It's a very newsworthy mistake. No, the Times is
Now.
going to be interested in this, and you know the Post.
All right, whoa. Now.
Mere hide slime.
Times Square slimed.
Slime Square.
Slime Square.
Fine. Now, before you go running off to the newspapers with this, would you consider telling the slime business to some of our people downtown?
It's got to be done right away.
So if you know what happens next, it doesn't end well, but the creativity of coming up with, hey, look, we're just going to go to the press for this, that's something that did not work. So it's an example of an Edge moment, take the courageous step, and it totally backfires because they end up in jail. So, oh, I see Back to the Future down here. Yeah, might have to do some of those. So if you've got Edge moments you can think of in movies where there's a courageous choice, there's a stark kind of one way one thing happens, another way another thing happens, your values are in play, other people's expectations, you're being creative. Those are the kind of Edge moments that I often find I'm working with clients, and I know it's kind of showing it in a silly way with some of these movie clips, but we face these all the time. In our lives, with our families, in our careers, in athletic events, and we have these moments, these opportunities to take a choice. And sometimes it's not a stark this way or that way. Sometimes there's genius of the and in there mixed in, but a lot of times there's an opportunity to go after the thing you really want, and sometimes we shy away from it. So these Edge moments are the times when it's a great opportunity to bring in a coach. So if you got an Edge moment from a movie you like, go ahead and drop it in the comment. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And if you're facing one of these Edge moments, reach out. Hope you have a good one.